Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have a special guest.
You tell them what the special guest
RFC, Richie Fried Chicken. Richie Fried Chicken.
You know, something like,
dog.
you know, with some chips, you know, aka French fries, you know, with the special New York barbecue sauce. I was feeling it, so you know, me and first day had to go and take care of it.
Alright, let's do a thumbnail, Sugarfoot.
Thumbnail, man.
Okay. We haven't done a thumbnail in a while. So, we are excited.
Look. If you're from New York, respectfully, I know what that sauce look like.
Now put it on my side.
I'm not gonna put it on your side, cause you know, look at this.
I like to dip.
Look.
When I dip, you dip, we both dip.
You know it.
Damn, Daniel.
I used to just buy the French fry just for the barbecue side.
Yeah. If you ain't from New York, you don't know nothing about this. And if you are, let us know. That's my New York sauce. It tastes the same? Let me see. That is good. You just put it on just on your fries?
Just for the French fries. Oh, sorry. You wanted to see the RFC here? Take a look. Here you go. I'm turning to your phone. Okay, here you go. Here we go. Since they want to see, they say they want to see it. Shh. Let me see if we got no crunch.
What? Let me put my hot sauce. I don't know what happened to my hot sauce. These kids eat up my hot sauce.
What do you call hot sauce?
What?
The
2 times spicy?
Yeah.
I don't have a little bit of, what's it called? Honey in here. These kids, man. Can't have nothing good around here. You know what you gotta do? You gotta let it sit up like this.
You know what it is already.
So that's what I'm doing.
You already know the style already.
Here. We don't waste nothing.
Alright, I'm just gonna eat. I wanna eat. Yeah, I see it.
You want 2 times spicy some?
I already put. I eat some of my 2 times spicy in a grill.
Alright, I'm back, guys. I can't make too much, yam too much 2 times spicy because I gotta work tomorrow.
It's not a 2-time challenge.
I mean, I want to shoot at myself. And that me, I'll tell you right now.
How's chicken?
Got another bottle over here. How's the chicken? Now ask me them suspect things that I I ask me those words. It's delicioso. Son,
Wow.
I don't have enough sauce in there.
Yeah, I really love that oxtail video because oxtail cheap, huh? Appreciate y'all.
Yeah, that video did good. We appreciate that for real.
Appreciate y'all. We always say comment down some stuff which y'all want us to eat. And some of y'all do, some of y'all don't. Let us know. And if we don't like it, we reply back and say we don't eat that. Right?
You talk to me?
Wow.
I ain't paying no money now.
Now see that? This is good. This sauce, family, it's sweet. That's the main thing. Okay, let me eat now. Damn, that crunch for me. Wow.
What do you mean? You ain't give me. It's all the sauce I have left. I'm so mad. And we was in Walmart now.
There was no more of that?
Or honey. We was in Walmart. I would have actually bought some more. If I had known. But, you know, When stuff runs out, you know how the family is. They don't tell you. As long as it's something for them, that's when they'll tell you. But if it's for you, they'll not tell you.
Especially when I don't eat it. Wow. You know my french fries?
Not really.
Okay.
You know, french fries is for sure. For me.
I tried a big boy with some two-time on it. You know, we got some two-time on that big boy right there.
Good. This chicken is delicious. This is no Paula Patterson chicken.
Family, I saw that video? Come on now.
Paula Patterson. But she's right though. She replied to the video. She made fried chicken. You guys know who Paula Patterson is. She was married to Ramian. Oh God.
Robin Thicke?
Robin Thicke. She was married to him. She made her fried chicken. And she said her mom, famous fried chicken. A lot of people did not like the way she made it, but it's her recipe. But me not make it so.
Family, you know I don't love drumsticks. You know that's my favorite part already.
But tell them what happened though
What?
with the wings.
Oh, we was trying to get the wings. 2 still got sold out. And we said, you know what? We're just gonna stay right here. So we ended up getting a drumstick.
Okay. Okay.
Good there.
See that? Cooked to perfection. Ain't nothing left. Nothing.
Look at that.
I know they're saying this ain't gonna fool Pastor Richie. Because that's what I'm saying.
It is, because I was eating as I was going.
He was. They called it sample.
So I was sampling. You know what I'm saying? While I was going. You doing french fries?
You can have it, man.
Because I want to put some more in it.
Hey, go ahead. You can have it. I'm focusing on my RFC, man. You haven't made this in a long time. I don't know what got into you today. I have to keep it closed because, as you can see, there's not a lot left, and I need it. I'm so mad. Ugh. And it was too late. And you guys know I don't like going to the store. Once I start cooking, that's it.
Look at that. Beautiful, huh? I know you like it. Well, whenever you go to New York, you go to that Chinese restaurant, tell them you want that barbecue sauce on it. Busted.
We went to the Asian market. And we got Chinese barbecue sauce. This barbecue sauce is what they put on spear rib tips. You ever wondered how the spear rib tips, the sauce is so sweet and so red, like a vibrant reddish pinkish? That's what that is. It's almost similar to the sauce that they use for the crab ragoon. That's what Tamia said, and it makes sense.
Time.
Oh, excuse me. Can I say my 2 times, Cassie?
Sorry. I took that piece out of my mouth.
Okay.
That's the chewy part.
Yeah.
Tom?
No. No. Oh my.
That's the 2 times after we did a challenge.
No, sir. Not today. I can't go to work, shut up myself.
It was a challenge last time we did that.
Every time I go to work, if I eat 2 times spicy sauce, the next day, it's no good. No bueno. So I try not to eat if I gotta go to work. It is good.
How you like it? Nice. Nice.
Is this bringing you back? Back in time? Back in the day?
When I jerk some chicken, I throw this on it, they're free.
Oh yeah. I didn't think about that. That's gonna be good. Like you guys already know Richie got a grill, so he can make some jerk chicken, authentic jerk chicken. I mean, he always made authentic jerk chicken, but it's gonna be on the grill. It doesn't stay in your hand, honey?
Good sauce that might see that my.
You know, chicken good when you eat it. You eat it all the way to the bone. Remember, I tell you that.
Delicious.
Remember. Oh.
What?
I'm trying to get all the the honey out.
Yeah, I'm trying. Maybe a 3 chicken.
I'm trying to finish this because ain't nothing left.
Finish it for real.
I never knew chicken and honey was so good.
Chicken over sometime.
Chicken and honey. This is gonna be a short video, Tom.
Ain't for real. 60 minutes version.
Guys, don't be judging me, okay? I gotta get all of it out. Don't be like, wow, she couldn't. No, there's no more. Okay? The kids them yam it and then and they didn't tell me.
Now the black people were right here. You gotta get everything.
Put this right
You
here.
already know that already. Let it turn upside down too.
Yeah. Right there. This is gonna be garbage anyway.
You already know what's good with your family. Now we get down over here. You want one napkin?
What? I couldn't get it in my mouth.
No comments. She couldn't get it in her mouth.
You're a naughty guy.
You said it. Somebody gonna pick it up. I ain't say you said it.
Woo.
Wow. Excuse me. That family, I had to eat a drumstick today, you know? But it was good. Fried good.
Woo.
Fried good, man. Look at that.
Oh. It's not 16 minutes, Tom. Remember like 2 minutes you was fixing the camera?
Oh.
Oh, that's alright.
Good.
It's still good.
Wow. I'm done. Wow.
You're still hungry, huh?
I'm not. I'm good. Well, I mean, never gonna be. I can't get no snack.
Okay, you're still hungry, Tom.
I'm not hungry, Tom. I'm serious. The drumstick filled me up.
That was a dog?
Family, your drumstick filled me up.
Stop, Sashi. God darn it.
That's what's first thing to eat now.
Watch me yam for real. I shouldn't be upset that I don't have no honey. What?
Watch first lady eat now, family. So what y'all been up to, man? Nothing, chilling, relaxing. Hey, I still didn't answer my question when I told you. See, I told you I don't be listening.
What was the question?
I asked them how they state looking
Oh.
with the COVID. You see, but y'all didn't get back to me, but it's all right.
They tied your ass.
Yeah, they're tired of me now. I'm gonna let y'all slide. I asked the question, I didn't act. But anyways, family, friends, viewers, we appreciate y'all all the time, you know? Rock with us, you know? We like that. But listen, we want y'all to share. Okay? Sharing is caring. It's free to share. Alright? Share and make people stare. Alright? Okay. Rhyme. But I got a good word for y'all ladies today. So ladies, y'all don't go nowhere. I want you to sit down, sit tight, and just chill. When first I finish that, and she said she's full, I get into the word because something brilliant for y'all.
You can do the word, Tom, because
and I know,
slow.
And I know y'all gonna like it, and I know y'all gonna relate. I already know who gonna say I relate, always relating. Well, we
Always
appreciate
relate.
y'all. You know what I'm saying? And yes, April 14. You know what I'm saying?
All the annoying Aries.
Yes, big up Mama Shea husband.
Oh yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Same day. I seen a lot of people say April 14. Big up yourself, host. Respect. Alright? Mama Shea, what's popping? But
Aries people on a 9 bad.
so
Not gonna lie.
April 14, my time. Don't be late. Just come participate. You might catch us on the live. You know what I'm saying? I want y'all come through there and just like, yo, happy birthday. You feel me? Alright. First, I say give y'all the word. Give it to y'all. Ready, first lady? Listen, woman, ladies. You know what I'm saying? Everybody listen. Right. Ready? Strong women are often perceived as cold and mean simply because they refuse to be disrespected, mistreated, or taken for granted.
Absolutely.
Right, first lady?
Yep.
What y'all say, ladies? Want me to say it again for y'all? I'm going to say it again. Listen up.
Yep.
Strong women are often perceived as cold and mean simply because they refuse to be disrespected, mistreated, or taken for granted. Y'all beautiful people, y'all ladies, y'all can relate. I know y'all can relate. Let's participate. Appreciate y'all. Thank you for rocking with us. Keep sharing if you're sharing for us, you know what I mean? Follow me on TikTok, Richie OG, you know what I'm saying? And this is Richie, if you're new, and this is Shanice, wow.
Sorry.
AKA First Lady, you know what I'm saying? And they are?
You guys are the Greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you next time for another mukbang. Bye.
I'll watch it.